Meet the 7-in-1 handheld laser welder. Pure versatility for your production. Reinforcement welding creates strong joints while leaving the backside completely smooth and flawless. Pulse spot welding allows for rapid, precise multi-point connections, combining speed, accuracy, and consistency. Energy storage welding provides safe, reliable connections for electronic components, supporting precision work. Unlock the power of laser welding. Join metals with precision, creating strong, flawless connections that last every time. Seam cleaning that guarantees flawless welds. Remove residue, enhance quality, and minimize post-processing. High-speed laser cutting delivers perfectly clean edges and smooth surfaces. Say goodbye to rust, paint, and grime. Our laser cleaning restores surfaces to their original shine quickly, safely, and without damage. 7 functions, 1 machine, limitless possibilities for your production.